Back to our story. So, si May, after niya pumunta sa pharmacy, nagpunta rin siya sa Quiapo. So, I think everyone knows that Quiapo, there's a lot of herbal medicine na mabibili. Nakalagay, usually siya in a bottle na nakalagay pamparegla. And actually, these kind of methods are unsafe. So, hindi siya ligtas and hindi rin proven to be effective. But since she's desperate, she had to go to that place. So, she had to buy it. At the same time, may friend din siya na nagsabi na you also have to get and drink 12 pills. Pills, we don't even know kung ano talaga yung pills na yun.
Ayan. So, ano na ulit ang nangyari kay May after nun?
Ayun. So, ayun na nga, desperate na nga siya to end the pregnancy. Wala na siyang magawa. And then, she searched online. Actually, she found a very reliable source. So, it's called safetochoose.org. So, it's an online site na you can get information about abortion. Pwede ka rin makakuha ng counseling from different counselors na nagbibigay ng advice on what to do. So yun, so luckily talaga nakahanap siya ng makakausap niya and she was able to know what to do in terms of ending her pregnancy.
Ayan. So, syempre, hindi natin kakalimutan ng pagkikilay kasi it frames the face and at the same time, parang siya yung bumubuo ng makeup look. Kapag mag-a-apply ka ng kilay, please make sure lang that the color that you are applying will be close or near sa kulay ng hair din natin. Just like this one.
So, ayun, so after she got the information online, she was actually given safe options for medical abortion. She was actually guided before, during, and after the process. So, para safely niya ma-take yung medical abortion. For me, really having reliable information at syempre support is very critical during this situation. So, May wants women to know na abortion can be safe. Dahil kapag unsafe ang abortion, it can cost lives. Very risky, and syempre, nandyan na yung complications ng pagbubuntis din if you do unsafe methods.
Paano halimbawa may kakilala ko na same yung situation kay May?
Just have to inform her na you go to safetochoose.org kasi nga this online site gives you a lot of information on how to do it safely. And then the good thing about this is may mga counselors sila na mag-a-advise sa'yo, susuportahan ka, and bibigyan ka ng options on how to deal with the situation.
It's comforting to know na meron kang ganong option.
Yes, so buti na nga lang may sources na reliable and accurate. She really wants to hope na in the future, in the Philippines, abortion can be safe and be able to access here.
So, choosing the right lip color and how to apply it. So, if you want a bolder look, just go get something that is deeper. Or kung medyo mas natural naman talagang gusto mong dating, you can just opt for nude color, just like this one.
If you find yourself in the same situation like me, don't worry. If you don't know what to do, you can actually visit safetochoose.org for reliable and accurate information on safe options on abortion. At the same time, meron ding free consultation with their counselors.